in the south of Chile when I heard a voice whisper, en el espejo está tu guía, ya no verás tu reflejo, ahí estará tu animal espiritual. That single phrase shifted the way I saw everything.
Hey, I'll face this.
Oh my god. Seriously?
You are not here to perform a trick. You are here to offer a gift, the gift of real connection. Spirit Animal is a complete system that blends intuition and psychology. It allows you to give accurate, meaningful, and beautiful readings without memorizing anything, without cold reading tricks, and without pretending with stock lines.
It's like self-working mind reading.
Yeah.
And I love it.
You will learn how to walk to anyone, anywhere, and offer a reading with full confidence that you will be right, even if you have never given a reading before. I will share techniques you have never heard of, methods that make people feel like you are looking straight into their soul. The best part, this isn't just a reading system. It's a series of full performance routines with structured revelations and emotional build-up, designed for close-up and stage. You can even adapt this principle into your existing acts. My name is Manuel, and this is Spirit Animal.